Good evening, everyone. Turn on your cameras. Good evening, everyone. Turn on your cameras.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I asked people to join, but they're not. Yes, Vedika, why did you get less marks in last exam? What is the reason?
Sir, I did few silly mistakes. That's the reason.
Hmm?
Sir, I did few calculation mistake and one on the zero polynomial. That's it.
Okay. So, what is your percentage you got? What is your percentage?
So I don't remember now.
Okay. So you was somewhat less marks. That's why the reason I just asked you to join. Vedika, Sujay, and Taruni. So yeah. Any doubts? Do you have? Do you have any doubts, Vedika?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, you see this session, that I just asked you to join the session, supposed to join at 5:15, but I asked you to join at 4:45 itself. The reason behind that is to ask the doubts. Okay, to ask you get clarify your doubts. Yes, you can ask me the doubts and get clarified. Tell me, any doubts?
So not yet. If I have any, I'll ask you.
Good evening,
So,
Sujay.
so I should have gotten two questions correct. If I got those two questions correct, I would have been, I think, 2 ranks higher. I even marked those questions.
Turn on your camera first. Aditya, turn on your camera first. Why are you late? Tell me first. At what time I asked you to join? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Ajay, Sujay. At what time I asked you to join? So, Aditya, not you, Aditya.
So 4:45,
When did you join?
4:49.
Why?
So I didn't check the WhatsApp group.
You didn't check. Then how come you know that usual class is 5:55, right? 5:15, right? But do you join 20 minutes before the class every time?
No, sir.
Then yes, tell me what was your doubts? Why didn't you uh, do well in exam? What are the reasons?
So in the question paper, two questions answers despite it being correct. Once I got it wrong.
Why so? Everyone didn't, or it didn't happen with everyone. Then why did it happen to you?
No, sir. You can check the paper as well.
Hmm?
No, sir. Once you can go to the topper group, topper app, and then you can check it there. There it's there. I've checked as well. It's wrong, sir.
Wrong.
No, sir. The answer I've given, they've shown it as wrong for two
Then if you
questions.
write answer wrongly, then it shows wrong only. No.
No, sir. I've given it correct, but when later on I checked, then it
Okay.
showed it as some other option despite the one I chose being correct.
1 second. Which question is that? Let me show you 1 second. Tell me which question.
The zero polynomial one.
Already we have discussed that.
Yes, sir, but I have written it as uh, can you once go to the questions?
Yeah. Option any real number is correct.
No, sir, it's not defined. That's the correct answer.
Any real number. See how can it not define?
Sir, double checked it as well. It's not defined. That's the answer.
You might have checked in Google if I'm not wrong.
No, so first I did it. After the test, I checked it again.
See, that's what I'm telling. In Google also might be sometimes, zero. What do you mean by zero polynomial? Basically, coefficients of all, like all coefficients would be zero, isn't it? So 0 into x2 plus 0 into x square. Let me write here. Let me write here once. So if you just do this, 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus some 0. This is my 0th polynomial, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is my 0th polynomial. So now basically whatever the value you substitute in place of x, I mean 0 of the polynomial means what? 0 of the polynomial means what? What is 0?
So when multiplied into zero.
No. What is 0? What is 0 of the polynomial? What is 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial is nothing but root of the polynomial.
So solution.
Solution of the polynomial. That's what we discussed today. So I do not know what went wrong with you. You might haven't listened the class. See, 0 means in last while discussing the paper also we discussed, no problem. 0 are root or solution. Both are all these are same only. So what could be the x value here? What could be the x value? Whatever the x value you substitute, any real number you substitute, what is the answer is going to be? Everything is possible, right? Every real number is possible, isn't it? You understand my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So 0 into 0 into all possible is going to be 0 only.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, 1 second. Yes, Yuvan. So you understand here? Sorry, what is your name?
Sujay, sir.
Sujay. So 0 of the polynomial is nothing but what? Root of the polynomial. Whatever the x value you substitute, it gives you 0 only. So 0 of the polynomial is every real number is 0 of the polynomial, isn't it? Now, how come it did not define LP? In a Google, they might have post like that, man. Don't follow the Google. That's what I'm telling you. Many children just a Google and they come up with that. Basically, this is what the basic answer. Clear? Next question.
Sir, 12th one.
12th one, beta. 12th one. Root 2 is a
Not,
polynomial.
not this one, sir. Not this one. I think.
Can you please tell me the question? No problem.
Just 1 second, sir. So it is 4x power 4 plus 0x power 3 plus 0x power 5 plus
Mhm.
5x plus 7, and they have asked the degree of the polynomial. I have given the answer as 5, but they've given the answer as 4 for some reason.
This one?
Yeah, sir.
So you do one thing here. Huh? 0 into something 0. So what is the highest? What coefficient supposed to be some valid, isn't it? Look at this here. So 4x to the power of 4, 0 into some x cube some 0 into x to the power of 4 and 5x plus 7. If you simplify this, what do you get, Sujay, tell me?
So
This is what your final polynomial. What is the degree of this? 4 only, no?
yes, sir.
That's what. Yes. Next. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Very good. So what about others?
So may I leave one? So I have very low battery.
Why do you leave? You have a class.
No, sir. I'll rejoin in just 2 minutes.
Yes. What about others? What about others? Yes, if you don't have a doubt, guys, if you don't have a doubt, 1 second. You just can revise it and you can, if you want, you can just join the class at Yes, Harini, do you have any doubts, Harini, Ananya?
Sir, no doubt.
Everyone should turn on your camera and talk to me, please. Any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
So yes, what's up? What's going on in your school? How the exams are happening? How the exams are going, and how everything is going?
No, sir, I don't have any doubts.
Very good. So you may join. You may join. Like you can take 10 minutes of break. Stay in the class itself. Don't leave. You may you may just revise your concept. You may 10 minutes of break and come back. We start
Yes.
at 5:15 sharp.
Sir,
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yes, everyone turn on the cameras. Yes, turn on your cameras, everyone. Chalo. So let's get started. So we are in statistics. So guys, statistics, I think everyone has done with that. They're saying, like we have done with every exercise of statistics. Tell me, what kind of chapter you want me to revise for today, and what kind of chapter you want me to discuss? Which chapter?
Lines and angles. Because I have exam. Once can you recap?
What about others? What about others? Everyone? What about others?
Can you repeat?
See, everyone turn on your cameras first. If you don't turn on your cameras, I'm not going to talk anything.
So is there a scale factor in CBSE?
One second.
No.
Sorry?
So can you once go through scale factors?
Is it in your syllabus? No, right? We don't have.
Sir,
sir,
funny.
inequalities also we don't have in syllabus, right?
Don't have, but you might be having for your term 2 actually. Just a minute. One
Yes,
minute.
actually, my school teacher is teaching that But we did not go through, right? I just asked also.
Your term 1 syllabus is number system, linear equations in two variables, coordinate geometry. Let me share the screen. Look at this. Number system. Look at this is what you have here.
Yes, sir.
Number system, linear equation, two variables. Coordinate geometry, lines and angles, triangles,
Menstruation.
then mensuration, you have Heron's formula and statistics. This is your term 1 syllabus.
Sir, please explain lines and angles, please.
And coming to the term 2 syllabus, polynomials, quadrilaterals, circles, constructions, surface and area, surface areas and volumes, and statistics, probability.
Not statistics, it is probable.
Yes. So probability here. Statistic we are learning in term 1. So yes, this is what your syllabus is all about. There is no spell factor, no inequalities actually. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So can we revise lines and angles, please?
Yes, definitely. See, revise in the sense like, didn't you learn about the concept or didn't you study? I mean, didn't you listen to classes?
Means I listen, sir, but once
See, would like to,
somewhat,
I would like to tell that I would like to, no, this now the thing is like I would like to make a point here that clear statement here that if you have any doubts, you can come and ask from the lines and angles. Tell me what's your doubts, Same.
sir, means the chapter I understood, sir, but I'm
From
not.
chapter, every full chapter itself, I have doubts, sir. Full chapter. That's what your question.
No, sir, means the chapter I understood, sir, but I'm not able to do when the questions are coming. That is it.
You might be having the problem, right? You might be
Yeah.
having a problem in some area. What is that? That's what I'm asking.
Sir, means when the problems are there, sir, like this is vertical opposite angle, this is equal. So some problems, means the problems I cannot do, sir. I
Hmm.
understood the concept, sir, but I'm not able to do the problems correctly.
Hmm.
So that is what.
Okay, you understood the concept, but you want me to solve the problems then now?
Yes, sir. Can you give some questions?
Okay. Definitely. And 1 second. So let's solve RD Sharma then. Guys, I'm just making a statement over here that so we have almost done with all the chapters, and I'm asking that the chapters. Is there anyone who still didn't go for the chapter? Is there anyone? Is there any child? Is there any student that who still didn't learn any chapter from your term 1 syllabus? Tell me.
Sir, like you're asking that did not complete in your school. I did not understand.
Did not complete your school? Didn't you learn at all?
Sir,
So far?
quadratic geometry and linear equations in two variables is not completed in our school, sir.
But linear equation two variables. I taught here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Here,
See, what I'm asking is, from your school side, they might haven't finished, but from my side, you might be, you might have, learned from my side. Anyhow, like from your either school side or from my side, anyhow, like you should have learned that. You should learn that. Is there any other chapter you didn't even just see about? Is there any chapter? Is there any chapter which is new, completely new to you from term 1 syllabus? Toshnika, I just see that you are talking to someone, you are not concentrating on the class. I request everyone turn on your cameras. I'm not going to allow anyone if you turn on your cameras. I'm going to remove you after the meeting. if anyone is turning off your cameras, please. Shall
So,
I?
once you're done with Shreyan's questions, can you just brief over scale factor? Because in my syllabus, we have scale factor.
Okay.
Yes, so just you can just explain a few questions.
Yeah. Are you a CBSE student?
No, some IGCSE.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Tosh, look, no problem. Look at this here. Are Kavya, Akshit, Harini, Modita, Pranav, Kavya, Jivika, Nitya, Krishna Chaitanya, Devasri, I request these children to turn on your cameras.
Sir, I turned on, sir. Can you see me?
I can't. Yeah.
Sir, I'm in my village, sir. Here net is very slow, sir. I can't turn on my camera.
Modita, why were you absent for the test actually?
Sir, actually, I was in some other, like, I was out, sir. That
Where?
day I was not able to not do the test.
Why?
Sir, I was out.
See, see here, I'm telling everyone here, I'm not going to hear any excuses from you all. See, it's a matter of 1 hour of test, right? It's a matter of 1 hour. So if you just go and just perform your test for 1 hour, it doesn't go to make a sense anything. It's not going to waste anything. You're not going to take anything granted from that. Just 1 hour of test, isn't it? If you just attend and go wherever you want. Is that clear? You understand? Yes.
Yes.
Guys, I'm asking everyone that Jivika, is there any chapter you still didn't do from your school side or from our side?
Sir, all the chapters are completed.
All the chapters are completed. Okay, good. Devasri, what about you? Piyush, what about you? Krishna
Sir, we
Chaitanya,
completed all the chapters, sir.
Sir, my school completed the chapters earlier than the tutorial.
Good. What about Kavya, Pranav?
Sir, everything is completed, sir.
Pranav, may I know why you are not turning on your camera?
Same as Piyush.
Sir,
May I know why you are not turning on your camera?
yes, sir, I'm trying. Sometimes it takes some time to switch on.
Why it takes?
I don't know, sir. Sometimes my laptop lags, so whenever I switch it on, like when I click the button, it takes a few seconds to turn on.
Kavya, what about you?
So because it comes like this, sir. Complete black screen.
Sorry? I didn't get you.
If we turn on my camera, it complete see me. Sir, I'm turn on the camera, but you can see
No, I
complete
can't.
black thing is coming.
Yeah, why?
So I don't know, sir.
Okay, see. So Strayan asked for lines and angles. So lines and angle let us discuss. And look at this here. Everyone, please open your lines and angles notebooks.
Yes.
Just a minute. Everyone, please, I'm getting some questions. Everyone, please do revise your lines and angles. Look at this, guys. Everyone solve these questions. Come on. These are the questions for these are the few questions from Adi Sharma. Yes. Tell me what he has given in the question number 1. Yes, solve this question, everyone. See the question number 1, AB. The figure AB and CD, AB and CD, and angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Angle 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:2. So determine all the angles from 1 to 8. Tell me. Angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Come on, very simple question. Let's see how many of you are going to make it easily.
Yeah, yes, sir. It took a while to unmute.
So, is it 3x plus
In
2x?
figure AB, CD, and angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio 3:2. Determine all the angles from 1 to 8.
Shreyan, are you here, Shreyan?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Tell me
I'm
how would you solve? See here,
Sir,
one angle 1. Look at this here. 1 and 2 are in 3:2 ratio.
Yes,
1
sir.
and 2 are in 3:2 ratio. Then what about other angles? Make it fast.
Sir, can you repeat 1:8? Okay.
So should we private chat you the answer?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, angle 1 or ratio is 3:2, sir. So determine all angles from 1 to 8. So 1 and 3 can be the ratio 3. 4 can be ratio 2.
No. 1 and 3 will be equal. First you find out what is angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and 2 making linear pair, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Find it out.
Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees.
Find it out, tell me the answer.
Okay,
X
sir.
is 36 degrees, sir.
Text
Sir,
me
I-
personally, text me personally, text me
Okay,
your private chat.
Yes.
Into 36. Sir, can I answer? Sir, one is 108, 2 is 72, 4 is 72, 3 is 108, 5 is 108, 6 is 72, 8 is 72, 7 is 108.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Yes, 1 is 108, 2 is
72.
very good. So 3 is also 108, 2 is also 72. And what about others?
Yes, sir. Got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the fifth angle?
So that would be 108.
108.
108, sir.
108.
So
Corresponding
yes,
angles.
corresponding angles.
Yes, sir.
That's how.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Next question, Vida. Very good. You got right answer. Next, in the figure, L, M, N are parallel lines intersected by the transversal. So X, Y, Z, respectively, find the angle 1, 2, 3. Very good question. Text me personally. Don't reveal the answer. I need answer from everyone. People who are not talking in a class. Everyone must talk.
Sir, can I?
Text the answer personally.
Sir, text it, sir.
Good. What is angle 3?
60.
Angle 3 is equal to 60 degree.
Very
60
good.
degree.
Angle 3 is 60 means angle 1 is going to be?
60
60
degree.
60 degree. Because of
Corresponding
corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles.
If angle
Angle 2 is
Angle
also
2 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 120 degree.
120 degrees, sir. Vertically
Alternate
opposite.
interior,
Interior
sir.
angle.
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So and one will be 60 degrees.
yes, very simple. Understood, Shreyanji?
Yes. Yes, sir. Understood.
Next. So now tell me what are the properties? What are the properties of lines and angles we have learned? Tell me, Sujay.
Yes, sir.
What are the properties we have learned from lines and angles?
So co-interior angles, corresponding angles, vertical.
No. I'm not asking. Those are not properties. I'm asking what are the corresponding angles are equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal.
Okay.
Tell me the properties.
So corresponding angles are equal. Interior vertical opposite angles are equal.
Interior
opposite angles are equal.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what to call it. Angles on the same line are equal to 180 degrees.
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior
Yeah,
angles.
It is
Angles which are same side of that. So both are what is supplementary?
Angles on the same side of that line will be equal, will be supplementary.
Angles which are same side of a line, yes. Which are same side of which line? Transversal line, yes.
Yes, sir, transversal.
Again.
So I don't remember any others.
What are the properties he missed? What are the properties he missed? Anyone?
So vertically opposite angles, linear pairs.
Yes, vertically
supplementary and complementary.
Yes, 1 second. Vertically opposite angles, supplementary angles, complementary angles. No, I'm asking. Okay, they are also correct. Now tell me, if two lines are
Angle some property.
Co-interior angles.
And the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles.
1 second. Here in the second,
angles.
what are the co-interior angles in the second question? Tell me.
Sir,
1 and 2.
angle
1 and
2.
3.
One
No,
and
one
three.
and-
X and Y.
no, sir. Sir, W, X, L, and 3. W, X, L,
Sir,
and 3.
X and Y and 2, 3 and 1.
One member, please. What are the co-interior angles I'm asking?
Sir, there are no co-interior angles in second question, sir.
Yeah, WXL and angle 3 are co-interior to each other.
Angle? You're talking about this one.
WXL. Sorry. Sir, sorry, sir. I mean the third one. Sorry, I mean YXL. Sorry, sir.
I'm talking about second one. Second one, tell me what is the do we have a co-interior angles here? What are the
Yes,
interior
sir.
angles?
Yes, sir. We have co-interior angle.
Tell me.
No, sir, we don't have any
So
co-interior.
YXL and angle 3.
Y?
XL and angle 3.
Angle L?
Angle YXL, sir.
Angle YXL. Okay, that angle and
angle 3.
Angle?
Sir, 3, sir.
Angle 1 and 3 is what? Basically, angle, what is 1 and 3 corresponding angles?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, angle, their X, the point where here, let me point out here. This angle and this angle is what here? Tell me. This angle and this angle.
Linear pair, sir.
Linear pair.
This
Okay.
one. This one. How come it is linear pair, ma?
Okay, sir. Those two. Yes, sir.
So alternate exterior angles.
Sir, those are alternate exterior
Alternate
angles.
relevance.
Exterior angles.
Sir.
Alternate exterior angles. Now look at this. If I talk about this one, if I talk about this one, and this one,
Alternate interior angles.
alternate interior angles. All right, alternate interior angles. So, and 1 and 3 are corresponding angles. Here 1 and 120 are what?
Linear pair, sir.
Linear pair.
How come linear pair? I don't understand. 1 and 120 I'm talking about.
Okay, 1 and 120. There are also
Co-exterior angles.
Outside angles. Look at this here. So tell me here.
Aren't they corresponding angles? 1 and 120.
Arey bhai, 1 and 3 is corresponding here. This one and this one
Okay,
corresponding.
okay, sir, got it.
Next, tell me here this one and this one are what? What is X and 120?
co-exterior.
Alternate exterior
Alternate
angles.
exterior, sir.
Alternate exterior angles. Now one and this is what here? Let us say some let us say some P. 1 and P.
P. Sorry.
Alternate exterior, sir.
Huh?
Alternate exterior angles.
Alternate
Exterior.
Exterior angle.
Then what is X and 120?
Alternate exterior angles, sir.
Alternate exterior angles. Now what is here? What is this one? Green color, this color and this color?
Sir.
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding.
Corresponding. Who is that? Hey, Shreyanji?
Not me, sir. Sir.
You only told that. I know that.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir.
You and some other. Who's the some other girl? Who's that? What is here? What is this one and this one?
I don't know, sir.
Look at it. Think here. What is this angle? And this angle. Tell me.
So alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior. The earlier which I asked, this one and this one is what? We don't have anything. Now look at this. Alternate corresponding anta.
Yeah,
Now look at this.
Supplementary, right?
Look at this here. Which one?
So the one you marked earlier.
Now
One
this one,
and
this one.
And the angle P here.
Same. No. Same side of a transversal line. Look at this. Same side of. Look at this one and this one will be supplementary.
No, sir. I mean like if angle 1 is there and angle X, Y, and whatever the left side is, they both are alternate interior. Sorry, I mean yes, sir. Yes, I understood now what you mean, sir.
Yeah. So we don't have a meaning, like, it might be, like all clumsy. That is what the reason it is might be looking like that, but there is
Yes,
no
sir.
meaning. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at this here. Now here this one, and what is this? What is this one and this angle 3 and this one? Alternate interior angles.
Interior angles.
Yes. Now this one, y and this one alternate exterior angles, isn't it? One and this P is alternate alternate exterior angles. Now what is co-interior angles? Tell me.
So the angles lying on the same side of transverse.
One second. Same angles on the
Same side of
Same
the
side of
transverse.
transverse.
same side. Look at this here. Now tell me this one. Now tell me here. Let me give this is some A. I'm just giving this B. This is angle X here. Let us say this is Y here. This is 120, right? This is some C. Now tell me which is co-exterior and which is co-interior.
So C and X are co-exterior, 3 and A are co-interior, sir, which is nothing but 3A is equal to 180 degrees and CX is equal to 180 degrees.
Which are co-exterior and co-interior?
C and X are co-exterior, sir. 3 and A are co-interior, sir.
So X and this C. Okay. 3 and
A, sir.
A or B and Y, you can say.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Same
Yes,
side of a transversal line, but outside and inside. That is co-exterior means same side of. Look at the X. Oh, 1 second. Let me 1 second. This X and C. Look at this now. Both side of X and C both are same side of a transversal but outside co-exterior. B and Y are same side of transversal but inside co-interior. That's all. Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, yes, this is what we have here. I hope it is no. We didn't learn more than this here. These are the properties we have learned. What are the angles equal here? Corresponding angles equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal, and the angles alternate interior angles equal, and the angles which are same side of a transversal line, interior angles which are equal to sum of those angles will be equal to supplementary 180 degrees. I mean supplementary. So this is what we have learned. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, Kaji, what I told now just now. Tell me. Kaji, can you please explain what I told just now? Don't turn off your camera. You're not listening to the class. Your focus is like outside of the box. Kaji, you are here. Are you here? Parth Ahuja, turn on your camera. Tosnika, Modita, Pranav, Jivika. I don't see these guys are turning on their cameras. Ananya. I shouldn't see anyone is turning on your camera. I just keep, now we have done the syllabus. I don't have anything. I'll keep asking the questions. Number 1. And number 2, I'll keep conducting the quizzes. Number 2. And number 3, I'll keep clearing the notes. That is what we are going to do hereafter. Jivika, Pranav, Kaji, turn on your camera. Kaji, I'm asking the question to you. Nitya, tell me. Now tell me the third answer here. Make it fast. Jivika will call this. Jivika, tell me Jivika. We have to find out angle K. For knowing angle K, you should know what is angle K and H here. Tell me what angle H and K called. Here, what these?
So alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior. So we need to find out K now. Are alternate exterior angles are equal? Or alternate interior angles are equal? Tell me.
So here one doubt, like how is the angle AKL equal to angle X?
Oh, who is this? Sorry, tell me which one?
So you just marked the AKL is equal to angle X, right?
Where I marked?
So like
interior angles, right? This one.
So this one and H, you said they are alternate exterior angles, right?
See this one. No. If it is a transversal, I'm talking about.
Yes, sir, that's it. Right.
If it is a transversal, it is not a transversal. This is like some chugudu bugudu line, not
yes,
transversal line. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Transversal will be supposed to, like, transversal supposed to be, yes, transversal means passing through some lines, but it's supposed to be some, no.
Yes, sir. It should be extended to be above. Yeah.
Sir, after finding the
K,
sorry,
tell me what is the
after
value of K?
So
What is the
I
value of K?
understood how to get all of them.
Look at this now. See here. Now you can extend like this. If you, one second, if you want to extend, you can extend like this. Look at this. This can be extended like this. And this can be extended like this. And this can be extended like this. These are the transversal, isn't it? You understand
Yes.
my point? This can be extended like.
Sir, I got a method to do it, sir. Like 60 plus h is equal to 180 degrees, no, sir. So we'll be just finding the value of h, which is nothing but 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is nothing but 120 degrees. So 120 degrees is equal to K, sir, as there are co-exterior angles of the.
I didn't
Sir,
get you. One second.
Sir, she can simply say it. It's a linear pair.
Which one linear pair? You mean angle H?
60 and H.
60 and h is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
That's what. Look, you can just make here also, no? 180 means
Yes,
here
sir.
120.
120 and K value is also 120 because there is co-exterior angles, sir.
Yeah,
It's
this one,
and K, sir.
Look
We
at
can
this.
assume as
this is a transversal line here. This is a transversal line. Which transversal line? Where you are saying? Look at this here. So H is a 120 means H is a 120 means
K is
this
120.
This also 120.
Yes, sir, as it is vertically opposite time.
So it is 120 means. One second. Let me erase this so that it will not get.
Directly we can write it as 120 degrees, sir, because K and H are co-exterior, sorry, alternate exterior angles, no, sir. Sorry, I confused actually.
No. See, look at this here. How the line is going. Line is, as I told, that line is some crisscross line. So you have to be very careful here. We have to be very careful. Look at this. I need a response from everyone, guys. I need everyone's opinion, not only few one
So
or two.
we can simply find K by assuming an angle next to 25, and that will be equal to
Sorry, yes, tell me.
Sir, can't we take K and 25 as a corresponding angle?
So that will be and this will be
K and 25
degrees.
corresponding.
Yes,
How
sir.
corresponding? How corresponding? This
No,
is
sir,
a corresponding. No.
angle next to
You
25.
cannot take Ajay. Yes,
GH is a
if one member is talking, others should not interrupt. Please kindly understand that. I never understand if you are talking at a time. No one can understand. No, if three members at a time talking, then whom should we listen? Whom should I focus on? Tell me. One member is talking, one by one you must tell. Yes, someone was talking. Who's that, please?
So
yes, tell me.
So the angle next to 25, we can assume that it's corresponding to K.
Corresponding to, yes, this one is corresponding to K, of course.
Yeah, so and 25 and this angle is a linear pair. So this side will be.
One second, which one you are saying?
So the angle next to 25.
Acha, this one you are saying, let us say some A. This one you are talking about?
Yeah.
How come it makes a linear pair?
No, so 25, the whole thing. And and also.
So this fully makes 125, I mean 180 degrees.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So already we have 25. So it like, then how much it will be?
155 degrees.
155 degrees.
And this will be corresponding to K.
This will be 120 here.
Yes, sir.
155 means this 155 minus 35. This will be 35. Yes or no? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. So
is that perfect now? Look at this. Everyone, I need to, I'm just
allowing same way, sir.
So I think this is a bit overcomplicated to make it a full 360 degrees. We can just simply do it.
We can do something, but let us discuss it in a vast way, no problem, right? See, it is making 180 degrees, so it makes 35 degrees now. So it makes 35 degrees means like it is a corresponding angle now. K and 35 is a corresponding.
Yes, sir. I mean K and no, sir. K and 155 will be corresponding.
K and 155 will be corresponding.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You mean K value is what now?
155.
How many of you got that, guys? Look at this here. Once you just extend the line correctly. This is one transversal line.
Sir,
This is transversal line. Yes. Now tell me.
Sir, I got another idea. Like you extended the last line, which is nothing but which transfers through second line, sir. Can we do like 25 is corresponding to K, sir? Like
25 is
K,
corresponding to what? K.
side of K, sir, which is nothing but K
This one?
plus 25 is equal to 180 degrees. And 155 plus 25 degrees is 128 degrees.
So
Sorry.
this, you mean this one?
Yes, not that one, sir. The side angle.
Which this one?
No, sir. We have like if we do K is on the straight line, no, sir.
Yes.
So if we add an angle like X is equal to, we'll be getting 180 degrees, no, sir, which is
Yeah.
nothing but K plus X.
Mhm.
So 25 can be written as X, sir, because it is corresponding angle. So
Achha,
that
you are,
we can,
so this is K plus X. The K plus X is 180 degrees. So here you are saying that some X is corresponding to what?
angle H, sir. They have given 25, no, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. They have given 25.
Yes, sir. That's the transversal line of the. Yes, sir.
So
That's
you are
the
saying that
transversal line, and that is X. So can we assume like 25 is equal to X as it is corresponding angles?
1 second. 1 second. Now here, everyone look at this here. Yeah, you are saying what? K plus X is equal to what? K plus equal 180 degrees. Okay. X is equal to what? X is corresponding to what?
25, sir.
X is equal to 25. How come
Yes,
it's 25?
25. So if we like minus, if we do minus, if we subtract 25, 180 from 25, we'll be getting answer as 155, sir. We can we do like that?
No. See here, instead of going all that stuff, let me give you. Actually, very simple. You know, we can just extend like this.
Or else we can also do as K plus, it is transfer.
Instead of, look at it. Yes. You can just extend like this one. You can extend this one. We extend everything. I just extended this one. Okay, perfect. So let us say this is some, some point here. This is also some point, so that it is easy to, denote. Let us say which A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Where is I here? I don't have, right? We don't have I. Let us take this as I. Okay, I, J, K, or no problem. That is I, right? So now we need to find. Look at this here. Can I say this one? So both will be like, this one and this one, both will be 60 here. Angle this one and this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. Now tell me. This one and this one, both will be 60. Or no, this is not fully. Corresponding angles. What is the corresponding? This is a corresponding, no? This is a correct. So this will be 60 now. Corresponding angles of parallel lines will be equal. Do you agree with my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So he's asking for what? K value, right? So
Sir, but it's not given that GH and KL are parallel, or is it?
sorry.
Okay, yeah, it's given. Yes.
Clearly mentioned, no? Clearly, no, it's visible, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it is fully. This is 120 ना बेटा. ये तो 120 हो जाएगा.
Yeah,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई ये क्यों नहीं देख क्या? Okay. This is 120 now. Listen to me carefully, everyone. So now this one, look at this here. If you just observe this carefully, this one and this one, what the 120, the K will be what now? K, this K will be 120. Yes or no? K will be 120.
Yes,
But we've already founded all the values, right?
Sorry?
We've already founded all the values. So
No. We didn't. This is like, this is a one more way I'm doing. Look at
Yes.
this.
But sir, this is very complicated, right?
Complicated. This kind of questions only we should solve. This is a way. Complicated means, we cannot find, we cannot find easy steps for every question, right? We have to struggle for everything. That's all. There will not be all questions that are very simple, like, cakewalk. No, we cannot find. We cannot expect all that. This, if you are solving this kind of questions, then only it becomes somewhat, advanced at mathematics and genius in mathematics. No, unless you will not. That's why. No problem. Complicated means, will you leave? Will you leave, Sujay? Huh? Sujay?
No, sir. No.
Yes. Then we'll learn. No problem. Yes. So here, let us say the angle. I'm talking about this one, right? This I 120, this 120. K and I will be 120 here. Okay. Why? Because corresponding. What are they? What are they?
Or VOS, sir. Vertically opposite angles, sir. 120 is equal to angle. We are talking about vertical angle I only, no, sir.
Yeah.
So alternate exterior.
No. 1 second. Alternate. So this will be. Now what will be this value? This value. This will be 120, not that one. This will be 120. Alternate exterior.
Exterior angles.
So ये तो 120 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये I हो जाएगा मेरा I. ठीक है. तो
So we already got the answer, sir. Like
Yeah.
120 plus 25. If we take AB and CD
So
as
this is look at this. Now this will be what? This will be 25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
This is 25 now. So 25 means, and this will be what now? What is this? This will be what? Tell me. 145 means 35. 25, yeah? 35 only. Makes
So we
linear
already
pair.
found it out, right? We need angle scale.
Sir, instead of that, directly we can write.
We already
as-
got it. 120 plus 120 plus 25.
Yeah, 120 plus 125. 145.
145.
145 is the right answer. Correct. So this, look
Yes,
at
sir,
this
this
here.
is it.
Why? Because we need K value, only K value. K value is, this is the linear pair now. Yes or no? So 120 plus 45 gives me, 125 plus 45 gives me what? 120 plus 45 gives me 120 plus 25 is my answer.
165, sir.
It should be 145.
Not 155.
Sir, I have a simpler thing to this.
So I too have, so can I share it?
Yes, simple thing. Yes, tell me. That is also simple. Yeah, we can make it simply. Yes,
Sir,
tell
I
me.
have another simple one. So, sir, could you erase everything you've written now?
Yeah, 125, 145 is the answer. Yes. Shreyan, you asked, but you are not responding anything here.
Sir, I'm not understanding, sir.
Then why you are not responding? Huh?
After the sum, I'm going to respond, sir. Now what you are saying?
Tell me.
Yes, sir. So, sir, on the top, it's given that the line GH, the GH is parallel to KL, right, sir? It's given on top.
One second. Tell me which one? Yeah, they have given. Okay. Acha, they have AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. Okay, and GH is parallel to KL. So KL means this one. Okay, these two lines will be parallel here. That's what he has given.
Yes, sir. So, sir, sir, you know, line CH and HD. So with those, so the angle CHG and angle DHG, they form a linear pair. So, sir,
DHG. Okay, so this one.
Yes, sir. That one and CHG.
CHG. So CHG. This one.
Yes, sir. So CHG is given.
So this is 120. This is 120. This is 25 means this will be 25. You are saying this is 120.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, that is also
Sir,
correct.
even instead of doing that, like similar method only, the same thing is like CHG is 60 degrees already given.
Yeah.
And then a DHG is 120 degrees. By linear pair, we can find it out.
Yeah, 120.
So,
This is
yes,
120.
Sir. Yes, sir. 120 plus 125 is HKL, which is because of alternate interior angles. The end.
Yeah, this one, and this one alternate interior angles.
Yes, sir.
You mean that one? This one, H. Which one? H. One second. This you are saying this one. This one.
Yes, sir.
This
yes,
one.
Sir.
This one and this one.
Sir, yes, sir. Those both are alternate interior angles.
Alternate. Yes, right answer. That is also correct. You can do multiple methods. We have multiple ways to go for.
Is my method correct, sir? Can you see my cam?
Sorry, tell me again 1 second.
Can you see my camera, sir? Can you see my book?
I can't see. 1 second. 1 second. Where is that? People are not turning on their cameras. I just see one by one. I just throw them out of the meeting. Where is your camera, Ma? I can't see.
So I turned on my cam. So 1 second. I'll once more turn on.
Sir, Harini actually turned on her camera.
Sorry?
Sir,
Kaji, are you able to?
Harini turned on her camera.
Okay. Kaji, are you able to understand? Rishikesh, are you able to follow? Rishikesh got stuck. Parth Ahuja.
Yes.
Are you able to follow the class?
Yes, sir.
Ananya, what about you? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
The why you are not responding?
Yes, sir.
You got the answer, Rishikesh.
I will follow.
Yes, very good, Rishikesh. Can't hear
Sir.
your voice properly. Ananya, why you are not? Yes.
So can you do 1 or 2 questions on similarity and congruence?
Sorry.
Similarity and congruence.
We'll do that, no problem. But let us take one topic one day, man. Let us not like we
Yes,
cannot
of
go for
course.
all topics at a time. Yes, we are in this chapter. Let us go with this. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, so here, as you said, 25 degrees is opposite to like alternate interior angles, sir. So this will be opposite again to here. So we can assume as this as x and this as x, and we can just do it as x.
1 second, 1 second. Now I can see yours. Please explain me again. Now only I can see that. Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 second, 1 second. Let me 1 second. One second. Can't. Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. As we know, we can assume this as a transversal, and it cut through not exactly the line, sir. So let us assume this as x, sir, and k as x even. So this is 25 degrees as given, and we wrote alternate
Interior.
interior angles are same. So
Mhm.
25 degrees. Again from here, can we write as 25 degrees here? Like we'll be writing
Vertical
25
opposite
degrees
angles.
here, sir.
Vertical.
Vertically
Vertically
opposite.
opposite
Yeah.
angle.
Huh.
So here we'll be assuming again here as x and k as x to get linear pair. So x plus 25, sir, is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x is equal to 2x plus 25 is equal to 180 degrees, which is nothing but yes, sir, we'll be getting 120 then.
Correct only. Of course, right answer. 100% correct. Yes.
I was sticking to 155, sir, actually.
No. Correct only. You wrote correct, but you might have made a calculation mistakes.
Yes, sir.
181. Yes. Tell me, what about others? Shreyan, you understand?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Yes. We just calm and composed and just think. You will get it. Yes. What about others? What about others?
So I understood everything.
Very good. Krishna Chaitanya. Devas. See, let me tell you a couple of children. You know, I see only few children who responds regularly in class. Kavya, Pranav sometimes. Let me tell you the people who does not respond in the class. Let me tell you people who do not respond in the class properly. Krishna Chaitanya, sometimes he respond, but you know, he doesn't respond much. Jivika, Devasri, Modita, Rishikesh sometimes, Aditi, Chogle, who is that Aditi? Aditya Ayushman, I never saw him responding in class. And yes, these are the people who never respond. Bhargav also he responds, yes. These are Rishikesh, yes, Rishikesh, if I talk, then only Rishikesh talk. No, he speaks, otherwise he won't speak. Why Rishikesh? Do you feel uncomfortable to talk in front of others?
No, sir.
Then why won't you respond? If you get the answer immediately, you can tell. Good, isn't it? Will you tell? Will you respond in class?
Okay, sir.
Good, very good. And Ananya, I don't see Ananya also respond. Sometimes she responds, but she knows the answer, but she doesn't respond. Why, Ananya?
Sir.
Yeah, you know the answer, you will solve it, but you know you don't respond. You must say the answer. And
Okay, sir.
yes, good, very good. Yes, and who is that? Who else? Kaji. Kaji, you respond, but I never get an answer from you, Kaji. You respond, but that is very good, but I don't get answers from you. I need our answers from everyone. And yes, Modita, I never see you. You neither, you know, you are giving the answers, neither, you know, you are talking, I mean, communicating with your friends. We are like, you know, we are going to have a completely group discussion. It's kind of group discussion. As you discuss the more you discuss, the more you get. You understand? The more you discuss, the more you get. So we are going to discuss, you know, every class we are going to have discussions and quizzes. And I thought of conducting quiz today, but you know, we didn't have. And whose duty today? Like whose duty to prepare the questions? Three questions. Whose duty it was? I'm asking guys, whose duty was it?
So it was Krishna Chaitanya and some other person. I don't remember.
Yeah. Krishna Chaitanya, along with him, who was that?
So I don't remember the other person, but it was Krishna Chaitanya and somebody else.
Yes. And Modita, are you here, Modita? Modita,
sir.
are you here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera. Pranav, Kavya, Krishna Chaitanya, Devasri, Jivika, everyone turn on your cameras first.
Sir, I'm in my village, sir. I can't.
If you are in village means, camera will not turn on or what?
Sir, I have a poor network, sir.
See, Devasri, I should see you responding in class.
Sure, sir.
You must solve and respond.
Sir,
See,
actually, when I on my mic or camera, it's getting glitched, sir, and I'm going to the home page, sir.
no problem, no problem. See here, Modita, you as well. See, everyone is a good student here. Everyone is a topper. Everyone is a topper. Everyone has knowledge. But the only thing is you have to make it to that track. That's what you have to do. Clear? All right,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Pranav, Kaji, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, yes. Is there any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt? So I should see all these people. I should see all these guys. All these students in the top 5 list. The people who are just the people like whomever I just told now. I should see these guys in top 5 in next class and next exam. Will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir.
And the students whoever got less marks, the students whoever in the that highlighted list. Let me tell you one thing. Let me show you. 1 second, just a minute. See, I should see. I just saw some improvement. Devasri, she has improved somewhat. Percent in terms of percentage. Very good, beta. So last week she was 75%, and this week 81.25. And Taruni, I don't see. Yeah, somewhat improvement. 31.25 to 43%. Very good. And Kaji was absent. Last time itself you got less marks, and this time you got absent. Don't know why. Modita, you were absent. Pranav, you were absent. Why, Pranav?
Sir, I had some problems and then I had to go out. So also, my mom messaged you or Manoj, sir, I think.
See, yes, please do inform. And the people who are in this yellow color region, is the right people, those who are in yellow color phase. So I should see all these people in the top 5 in the next exam. Will you be able to do Vedika? Vedika, are you here?
Sir, I'm already in top 5, right?
Top 5 in the sense like, yeah, you are in top 5, but like I'm just not top 5, I'm sorry. I should see above 90%, not top 5. So I should say this. Top 5 means यार सबको मिल रहा है percentage, तो ranking तो सबको मिल रहा है. Everyone is getting ranked, but the percentage is somewhat less. So I should not say rank now. I should say above 90%. I should say everyone getting above 90%. All right. I should see above 90%. All right. Chalo. Thank you. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. And then goodbye. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.